Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover all of the features of the Rapid on the Go tablet by Rapid Apps. Okay, so let's get started. On the left, you can see I have Pump Magic open, and on the right, I have the Rapid on the Go tablet. The first thing I'm going to do is open the Rapid on the Go app and then log in. Okay, so now that we're logged in, you can see these 6 buttons here. The first one being Jobs, which we are going to be spending most of our time in, but I will quickly cover the other 5 buttons. The second button is the Message button. This allows messaging back and forth between the tablet and Pump Magic. The third is the Clock In button. From here, you can clock in and clock out to record your times. The fourth is the DOT, Department of Transportation. This will be used for the operator so that he can log his hours of service. The fifth button is the Call Office. Take note, this will only work if the operator is using the app on his cell phone. And the last button is Back to Base. This will allow for the operator to route back to any of the yards. Okay, so now let's get into jobs. I'm going to click on the Jobs button, and the first thing that opens up is this Zachary Construction Corp job. Notice at the top there's Pending, Ticketing, and Completed tabs. So any job that's in the pending is currently a job that we need to take care of. You can notice in Pump Magic on the left, the Zachary Construction job is the same job that's showing up in the tablet. I'm going to click on this job now and open it up. Notice once we open the job, we can see the job info. There's also 3 other tabs: status, times, and ticket. These tabs will be used by the operator to follow his job flow process. We'll dive into these a little bit more in a second. I first want to cover the 3 buttons up above. The first orange button is the route button. This will allow for the operator to route to the job site. The second button is the message button. This will allow the operator to send a message to the office. The third button is the capture button. This will allow for the operator to take a picture and then save it and attach it to the job site, which will be used for later use. This can also be viewed in the office and by other operators in the future. I also want to quickly cover this checkbox. If you click on it, it will allow for the operator to verify the address. Once verified, this will be used in the future for routing to the job site. Okay, so now back to the 4 tabs: Job Info, Status, Times, and Ticket. The Job Info tab has all of the operator's normal job information, like where he's going, which pump he's bringing, how many yards he's pouring, etc. On the Status tab, the operator can acknowledge his job, which will update the office, and he can also update the job statuses, which will notify the office, and change the job status here. Under the Times tab, the operator can fill out all of his times, as well as get a pre- and post-job signature, which can then be emailed to the contractor. And lastly, on the Ticket tab, the operator can input his concrete yardage or meters, any system left, comments, mileage, and engine hours on the truck. Once all the information is entered, the operator can save, and it will automatically be uploaded to Pump Magic. So if I open this job in Pump Magic and go to the invoice information down at the bottom, you'll notice that all of the job ticket information is already input. This is very nice because it allows for same-day invoicing. Okay, so now let's get into some of the features on the Pump Magic side. From within a job, you can print the filled job ticket. This will have all of the times as well as the signatures on the job ticket. Inside the job, you can also view the job site images taken by the operator by going to the Job Site Gallery tab and seeing your list of images. From here, you can also upload or delete the images. You can also send messages to the operator's tablet. You can type in your message, and then you can also choose canned responses. I typed in yes, no as the button responses here. You can also verify job site locations inside Pump Magic. If you open a job and then go to the job site map, you have this drag and drop pin, which can be used to place into a different location, simply by dragging and dropping. This will be the new address or latitude longitude coordinates that will be used for routing to the job site. You can also view the tablet on a map and see the geolocation logs as to where the tablet drove. We can do a play-by-play by hitting this button, and you'll see the route that the tablet took. At that time, you can also see the current speed, battery life on the tablet, and what time it was. You can also view your tablets on the map. This will also have your job sites as well as your geotab truck units. So you'll be able to see all three on one map. That about wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye now.